Hello, hi friends, welcome to Nihasaft new product PayDish. So this is the restaurant management system completely developed using Oracle Apex technology. So any user can able to register to this software by using this option. So you can just click and register, okay, and once it is registered and approved, so you guys can able to log in to the system using your registered mobile number and password. So currently here I have a demo account, so I will just log in to see the available options. Okay, so this is the home page of the application. So from here we can able to log into the multiple branches, and the application can be installable on any devices like tablet, laptop, desktop, or POS system. And also from here we can able to see my profile, and from here we can able to change the password, and some kind of settings are there, and sign out option. So in the dashboard mainly we can able to see overview of today's numbers like total orders, total revenue, total expenses, total profit, and here we have some kind of shortcuts. So suppose assume that we need to create a new customer, directly we can access creating a new customer using the shortcuts available here. And here we can able to see all the tables which are available in our restaurant. So currently we have 25 restaurants here, and based on the restaurant details, so we can able to customize the tables from the admin menu. Okay, so and from here we can able to see payments received by different mode, for example by card, by cash, or by UPI. So those kind of details we are able to see from here. So there is today there is total 0 orders, no revenue, no expense, and no profit. Okay, so first I will show the admin configuration. So in admin we have branches, tables, staff, menu management, and tax type. Okay, so suppose assume that so I have a multiple restaurant branches, but I want to use this system for all the branches. So just register us with one time, then create the multiple branches, access the same URL using the just a registered username and password. So here, so currently we have one branch. So if I create another branch, that branch will be registered under same restaurant. So any user who is logged into this system, okay, and from the same restaurant they can able to choose between the branches based on the access provided. Okay. So this is one branch we have. So here we have details about the restaurant. We can provide branch name, address, and mobile number, and if we want to add more branches, we can just add the branches from here. Okay, so similarly we have table configuration. So currently I have 25 tables in this restaurant. Okay, so if I want, I will just click create and provide the details, and just click create, so that table will be created. When the table is created, the initial status will be available. When any customer came and order is booked against that table, the status will go on changing. And we have a staff management system here, so we can create the staff, and we can provide the access for the application. Okay, so just click here and create the staff and assign the role, whether it is admin, manager, or waiter. So based on the role provided here, the sub menus will display according to the roles. And here we have menu management. So all the menus can be categorized. So we have menu categories like starters, main course, beverages, roti, rice, desserts, salad, soup, pizza. So anything can be configured and customized. If we want to add more categories, we can simply add. And also we have menu items. Okay, so here we can able to see all the menu items. We can categorize veg or non-veg, category, main category, and item name, price, whether it is available or not. Then this is some kind of audit details. Then from here we can able to add the details. So from here also we can from the menu categories, if we click on category name, it will automatically filter to the menu items. Okay, and here we have tax types. Okay, so here we can make the tax configuration based on any country. This application can be used by any country. Automatic time zone and tax configurations will be available here. So this is some kind of example here for India. So we have IGST and CGST. So currently for testing purpose I have put 0% as tax rate, and based on the country standards, the users or whoever is taken this application, they can able to configure the tax rates. Okay, so let's see by creating a one order. So as I show in the dashboard here, we don't have any orders today, so I will put one order. Okay, so yeah, before that I will show some customer management and expense management also. So in the customer management we have customers. So initially there will be one customer, walk-in customer. Okay, so we can add the customer details if we want. So we can provide the customer name and mobile number. Okay, so let's create one order. So I will create directly from home page by using the shortcuts menu. Just click on add new menu item, new takeaway order. Okay, so in ordering screen, so we have order management and orders. Under that we have details here. So this side we can able to see all the categories what we have configured previously. So if show all, by default it will show all the category and its menu items. And if I want to add only starters, I can select the starters and all the starters will be displayed here. Suppose assume that I want only non-veg starters. I will select, then all the non-veg starters is appearing. So I will add one chicken 65. Okay, suppose assume that I want to increase the quantity. I will just click again so that it will be increased, and also I will add one more chicken dry and one chicken sukka, and I want to add some main course. Okay, so I will take egg masala and some roti. I will add 2 butter kulcha. Okay, then I will add some rice. Okay, and some water. I will add some cold drink, then 2-liter water. Okay, then I will select the customer, walk-in customer. This is the dine-in order. Okay, stop, I will choose. If we don't choose, automatically it will take the logged in user as a stop. Okay, we select the stop, then table I can choose. So here assume that currently all the tables are available. Suppose now I will choose the table number 1 and I will create the order. Okay, so we can see the order is placed, and I will just go back. So here for today's date, so it will display order ID and order type, customer, waiter, table, and total amount, order status, in progress. Okay, then suppose assume that the customer will order one more product. So again go to the same order and add the more item. Okay, so from here also they can directly increase the quantity. Suppose assume that customer ordered one more chicken dry. I will just change the quantity to and also assume that second time they told spicy. Okay, I will just add a note. Okay, so to quantity, everything is displayed automatically. So as we know that in the tax configuration we make 0%, so accordingly it is calculating. Okay, and here we have a total amount. Okay, so I will add one more item. I will add one chapati. Yes, it is added. Rate also reflected. Okay, no need to click apply changes. Okay, automatically it is reflected, so you can see here. Suppose assume that, so now the customer is finished, is eating, then we need to close this table. Okay, so before that we need to generate a bill. So assume that customer will ask for a bill, then generate the bill. Okay, so bill is generated but payment is pending. Okay, here we can see now we cannot able to add items for this order. If they requested more items, then we need to create a new order, because this order is already bill generated. Okay, suppose assume that customer is paid this amount using cash. Okay, so we can select as a cash. I have not provided any discount, then I will close the order. Okay, this order is closed, and now we cannot able to make any modification to this order. Okay, then assume that customer is asked for a bill. Okay, now we can able to print bill from here. I don't have a printer here for demo purpose, so I'm just displaying the output of the report. Okay. So here we can see that the total bill is generated. Okay, yeah, now we can see the menu. Okay, so in the home page we are able to see total orders 1, total revenue 1200, and total profit is 1200. Okay, I will add one more order for demo purpose. Walk-in customer, we'll choose table number 4. I will add 2 eggs. We don't have any desserts here. You can also search from here. Okay, so assume that this is the final order, so I will place the order. Okay, now the order is placed. Now we will again, I will go to home page to see the table status. Okay, so now from here we can able to see for table number 4 order is placed and it is in progress, still running table. So but current bill is total 400 is happened. Now I will add one more item. From here also we can able to see the running table amount. I will add one more item. I have added one water bottle, so now the total amount is 420. I will go back to home page to see whether the amount is reflected or not. Yes, it is reflecting. I can also click on this table so that automatically it will go to that order. Okay, then now I will close the order. So I will generate the bill first, then I will choose the payment method. So assume that they have did UPI, then if it is required we can also enter the payment reference number, then close the order. order is closed. Again I will go to home page. Okay, so here we can able to see total orders is 2, total revenue and total profit, and here we can able to see payment types and its amount. We can also click on here, and it will be automatically show which one is selected. Okay, then we have a reports here. We have profit and loss report. Okay, so this is some kind of dummy report we have. So it will show user can able to see the year and month. So we don't have any orders for last month. We have some dummy orders for this month. Okay, then here we can able to see date wise it is showing total revenue, total expense and total profit. If the profit is positive, it will display in green. If that is a loss, then it will show in minus and it will be highlighted as red. So here we can see total revenue is 8,300 and expense is more than the revenue, so that is a loss. But overall overall this is the profit amount. Okay, this is some dummy data we have. And how to add a expense? Okay, suppose I want to add some expense. Assume that I have purchased something, some grocery for the restaurant, then we can able to add that here. Okay, so there is two type of reports are available here. Date wise also we can choose. Then so 29th, this is the expense. I will just add some expenses today. Assume that we have provided a staff salary. Okay, some description. Then assume that we have provided 5,000 salary. Then just click save, so expense will be created. So we can notice here for today's date expense is created, and overall total also we can able to see. Now I will again go to home page. Yeah, so here we can notice total orders is 2, total revenue is 1,620 and expense and total profit. And we also have digital menu options for this. So in next video I will demonstrate that thing. Thank you guys. If you like this software and also if you have a need for this software, just do comment in the comment box. We will contact you. Thank you.